welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm taking you shopping with me. So come along and let's learn some shopping vocabulary at the mall. I want to start with a question. What is the difference between I go shopping and I do the shopping? Let me know down below in the comments. And at the end of this video, I'll explain the difference. As you know, in English, we often use the short forms of the words. So we usually just say mall instead of shopping mall. This mall is an indoor mall, which means that all the stores are inside. Behind me, there is a directory and it has a huge map of all the stores. You just enter where you are and where you want to go, and it guides you directly there. So it makes it a lot easier for you to go shopping. There are lots of clothing stores in a mall, but in this one, besides clothing stores, you can also find
shoe store, cosmetic or beauty store, appliance store, perfume store, clock store, furniture store, bookstore, and so on.
Let's into one of them. But first, can you tell me what you call this person who's wearing the clothes? It's called mannequin. This mall doesn't have any stairs, so when you want to get to different levels, you only have two options. The first one is the elevator, but I'm going to use the other one. I'll give you 3 minutes to tell me what it's called. It's called an escalator. I just went down the escalator. Now I'm on the second level and I found a toy store for both kids and adults. I'm going inside, but I'm not trying to buy anything because I'm not on shopping spree.
A shopping spree is a period of buying many things in a short time, often spending a lot of money.
One of the most important points about this mall is that it was built near the sea. So in many areas of the mall, you can see the sea. In the restaurant, at the gym, or while walking between stores. This is an exciting spot here. Would you like to fly? This is a wind tunnel where you can experience the feeling of flying safely indoors.
You just step inside and the powerful wind will lift you up. It's like floating in the air and it's so much fun.
This is a cloth store with luxury items, but they are out of my budget, which means I can't afford them. Another amazing thing about this mall is the ice skating rink.
In the big, beautiful ring at the mall, you can skate with your friends, have fun, and even try some cool moves. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, it's the perfect spot to enjoy yourself and stay active.
Have you ever gone window shopping?
Sometimes you don't plan to buy anything. You're just chilling or hanging out with your friends, walking through the hallways, checking out the shop windows, and passing the time. So basically, you're just window shopping.
In this situation, you can head to the cinema and watch a great movie in the mall. This is the store that sells athletic gear. If you have a kid, you can have lots of fun at the Family Entertainment Center with theme parks, arcade games, and tons of exciting activities.
Have you ever sung in a karaoke room? This is a big candy shop full of chocolate bars and sweets.
Which one is your favorite? Snickers or Kit Kat?
Let me know down below in the comments.
There is a cozy food court with different restaurants. Let's go inside and take a look. But don't miss my upcoming video about food court vocabulary. I'll put it here. So subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when it launches.
In this mall, you can see lots of items on sale. On sale means at a reduced price.
When you go shopping, you walk around the stores for fun, may or may not buy anything. But when you do the shopping, you buy the things you actually need, like groceries or daily routines. When you go shopping, it's more about fun. But when you do the shopping, it's about getting things done. And the last part of this educational trip is very exciting. Here, you can ride a cable car, travel a long distance over the water, passing along the shore, and get off on the other side of the beach. Okay guys, I hope you learned a lot of shopping vocabulary inside the mall. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. You can also hit the bell so you won't miss any new adventure. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!